Cambridge is A-Levels Mathematics, Probability and Statistics 1, Chapter 2, Exercise 2A, Question 7. Data about the times in seconds taken to run 100 meters by adults are given in the following table. So this is the table, and in this table you can clearly see the time intervals are connected to one another such that 13.6 to 15.4, and the next class interval begins with 15.4 to 17.4, and the third class interval is 17.4 to 19.8. Number of adults, that's a frequency for the first class interval, is A. Second class interval is B. Third class interval is C, 27. Find A and B and largest possible value of n given that model class contains the slowest runners. So the slowest runners takes the most time. The model class is the last class interval, which is 17.4 to 19.8. There are 27 adults. The first thing when we do this sum, we have to know that frequency density is equal to frequency divided by the class width. Such, we can say that frequency is equal to frequency density of the model class multiplied by the class width. So here, frequency density of the model class multiplied by the class width. When I work out this question, I will add the row class width of each class interval, which is 1.8, 2 and 2.4. And then I will work out the frequency density, which is frequency divided by the class width. That is 27 divided by 2.4, 11.25. So now I know the frequency density of this particular class interval, 17.4 to 19.8. Using this frequency density, I will multiply the class width of each class interval to work out the frequencies of that class interval. How I work it out? The frequency density of model class is 27 divided by 2.4, which is 11.25. Then I know that frequency is equal to frequency density multiplied by class width. So what is the frequency density that you worked out? That is 11.25, relevant to the last class interval, which is the model class. I multiply it by 1.8, that is the class width of the first class interval. So what I do? I will multiply 11.25 by 1.25 to get the frequencies. So the frequency is then 20.25. So the frequency is 20.25. Since this is concerned about a discrete variable, which is the number of adults, so 20.25, I will round it down to 20. Then next class interval, again 11.25, I will multiply it by the class width, which is 2. 11.25 into 2, it is 22.5. I will round it down to 22 as this is number of adults. So the total frequency or the total number of adults, it's 20, 22, and 27, altogether 69. If I summarize again, firstly find the frequency density of one class interval and you multiply it by each class width to get the frequency. 11.25 is the frequency density. You multiply it by the class width, which is 1.8. You will get the frequency. 11.25 is the frequency density. You multiply it by the class width, which is 2. You will get the frequency. 11.25 is the frequency density. You multiply it by 2.4. You will get 27 as the frequency. So what do you have to know? Frequency is equal to frequency density according to this question of model class. I multiplied by the class width. Each class width is multiplied by the frequency density of the model class for you to find out the frequency or the number of adults.